How to change your Netflix region. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can change your region on Netflix. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change your region on Netflix, what you need to do is there are many types of videos that tell you can go into account settings of the Netflix application and just sign into your account and you'll be able to change it in that way. But personally I have tried those methods myself and you'll not be able to change it unless you change and use a VPN, which is also a virtual private network. Now VPN allows you to change the IP address and trick Netflix into thinking that you're in some other region while you're living in some other IP address or servers. So just go ahead and search for any of the VPN apps that you actually want to connect to. So if you want to connect to US, download the US VPN. There are also some of the popular VPNs such as Turbo VPN, Tomato VPN, Touch VPN, and so on. Just go ahead and install those VPNs. In my case, I might have already downloaded one of these two VPNs. I'll just go ahead and open it, and all I need to do is tap on the connect option inside that VPN, because the process is pretty much simple. You just need to tap on the connect option, and since this is a free application, you might also want to deal with a fair amount of ads, because of course they've made it free, so they need to make money from it, and ads is the only possible way. Once you connect to a server, you will see this kind of interface. Now it's connected to Germany, Frankfurt currently, so I can go ahead and watch shows that are not available in my region but available on Germany. And that's all it takes to go ahead and change your Netflix region. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.